Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, a visit to the doctors, we will be covering the section of punctuation, in which we will learn about capital letter. So, open up page number 34 and let's get started. To learn about capital letter, let's look at the given picture. On your screen, you can see the words written like Dr. Khalid Kareem, Doctor Amjad Qayyum and Doctor Javed Ahmed. Now, an initial is the first letter of a word. We often use initials to refer to first or middle name. A capital letter is used to write an initial and a full stop is put after the initial. For example, Dr. Khalid Kareem can be written as Dr. K. and Kareem. Now let's do an activity. Write your and your parents' full names using initials on a loose sheet. If you have any difficulty, ask someone in your family for help. I have written down one name for you, which is Amna Amjad Khan. So now you can see that Amna and Amjad are the first and the middle names, and they have been written with an initial and a full stop has been put after it. But the last name has been completely written down. Similarly, write down your and your parents' names.